everyone! What is this? Measuring tape. Yes, this should be your friend. Now, have you been asked, right, that are you pregnant? By, of course, someone who is someone close to you, someone who is your friend, who dare to ask that question when you clearly are not. Now, I can feel you. Why? I was being asked the same question. That is about 6 months after I was give birth to my second boy. And it really hurts, it's like, yeah, it's that painful because obviously I'm not and I have no plans to, but yet I was wearing a bit tight clothes that day, and then my tummy still shows, partly mainly because I didn't bind. I don't like the feeling of tying something very tight around my abdomen immediately after delivery, so that's one of the reasons. And then I'm breastfeeding, so I was like, I just want to eat enough so to make sure I have enough breast milk for my little one. So the thing is this, but it really hurts, right? Now, so today, I really want to talk about a soup that can help to regain back the svelte body shape after childbirth. Now, the best part is this is also suitable for anyone else, especially people with 3 highs. What are those? High blood sugar, high blood fat, and high blood pressure. Yeah, so this is great in that sense. Of course, taste is very important because if something is healthy but not tasty, no one will take it. So taste, healthy, help to slim down, that's very, very important. And today's soup, I just want to share, it has 7 ingredients, right? 1 is black fungus, that's really the star of the show. Black fungus with white back, so in its dry form it has 2 colors. On one side is black, the other side is white or beige color. Yeah, but after you soak it, it becomes all black. Yeah, so that's one of the stars of the show. It really helps to clear away all this blood fat. So it's very, very effective in that sense. And of course, we suggest to definitely eat this ingredient after boiling. There's no taste, right? So just take it with the soup that's tasty. Another star of the show is the very pretty sweet corn. Now, sweet corn itself is very good for, again, removing the blood fat, blood lipid, and also it nourishes the brain, among many, many other benefits. It's great for eyes because it has 2 nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin, which is very, very important to protect the eyes from macular degeneration. Basically, it comes with age. Now, what other ingredients do we have? Carrot. Carrot is perfect for clearing undigested food in our body, so it helps with bowel movements. Yeah. Now, the next one is water chestnut. Water chestnut again is cooling. It helps to detox, and it has the diuretic effect. What is diuretic effect in the TCM sense? Diuretic means it clears away this excess water in our body that sometimes makes us look bloated, make us look fat, make us have more weight than what we actually need. So water chestnut is great for this. Now, there are some people who find it a bit hard to purchase water chestnut in some places. So even for me in Singapore, I have to look in 3 different supermarkets. I finally found it. And for people in Singapore, I found it in Fair Price Finest. I believe the wet markets will have as well, but I'm not sure. But I found it in Fair Price Finest. Yeah. So in the worst case, if you don't have the water chestnut, what do? You can replace it with winter melon. Now, winter melon also has the same kind of effect. It detox, cools down the body, moisturizes the body, and it has a diuretic effect. Helps you to pee more often if you have excess fluid, excess water or edema. Basically, what it does is makes your blood flow a bit slow as well. Yeah. So, what other things? We use lean pork in this soup rather than pork bones because it really has that, we don't want excess fat from the animals. That's the other key thing, right? Now, on top of that, I have added in walnut. Walnut, it is very, very good for the digestion. It really lubricates our intestines, so it really helps us, do the number 2, and also is great for the brain. Now, the last one is actually dried scallop. Dried scallop is perfect for nourishing meals. It's very, very nutritious, and it adds that very savory taste to the soup. So it's going to be sweet, it's going to be savory, refreshing. This is the best part of the soup. It's tasty, and of course it's nutritious. It's also great for people with poor circulation. So again, it helps with fatigue after childbirth. Yeah? So yeah, I really hope you enjoy today's soup. Comment below, right? Will you make it? And yeah, and the best part is that sweet corn, right, is suitable for people with diabetes because the sweetness is not the fake or kind of processed sugar. It's really from pure fruit itself, so it's even safe for people with diabetic to consume. Now, of course, again, this soup is again great for people who take a lot of processed food, right? Sedentary lifestyle processed food. This soup is perfect for that. All right. Okay. So yeah. So I really hope you can make today's soup. Is relatively simple to do. You will see. And yeah. All right. Hope you enjoy. Okay. Subscribe, like, and let me know what you think. Bye. Thank you.